school biology. My name is Swamyyadav, and today we are going to discuss about biology. What is the basic biology? Okay, look at here. Biology. The word biology. What is mean by biology? Biology. It is a study about living organisms. Living organisms, right? Study about living organisms, like plants and animals, fungi, like that. This biology is specialized into many fields that are one is morphology. We know morphology and physiology and anatomy then behavior and origin. The last one is distribution. This is about the definition and the introduction about what is the biology, right? Biology means the study of living organisms. And in this there what we are going to study, we will study means morphology, physiology, anatomy, and the behavior and origin, distribution. These all things will happen in all plants and animals, right? Okay, have a look on biology. Who give the word biology? The word biology, it is derived from Greek. It is not English word. The word biology derived from Greek, right? That is the Greek word biology. What is mean by biology? What is the meaning? Means bio. Bios means life. Bios means life. Then logos. Logos means study. Is the life study. The organisms. In this, it means study about the organisms, living organisms. Which is mean biology. Okay. Then. Okay. What about this Greek word? Meaning here, if you look at about biology word, who is the father of biology? I think all of you know. The father of biology is Aristotle, right? Aristotle is a father of biology. You know why we call him father of biology? Because he reveals about his observations or his study about what he studied, what he observed on plants and animals, life of plants and animals. He reveals his thoughts. So in the different aspects on the plants and animals. So that's why, therefore we call him father of biology. Okay. Aristotle is the father of biology. Then what is the things are present in biology? If we look at a small organism, an organism, living entity, has consisting one cell. It means which is the organism has one cell. Is that is the example of that single cell is bacteria. Bacteria is a single cell organism. If several cells, means if the organism consisting with several cells, that are animals. They are animals, plants, and the fungi. Okay, these are the cell, the organism which is formed with the cells. Single cell means that organism completely within single cell. So that's why we are giving example here, bacteria. Okay, then okay, look at here. This biology has major three branches, that are, one is botany, and second one is zoology, and one microbiology. These are three things which are, these three things are major branches in biology. Okay, if we look at the fathers of these branches, okay, who is the father of botany? You may know father of botany, Theophrastus. Father of botany is a Theophrastus. Then who is the father of zoology? Father of zoology, Aristotle. Okay. Then microbiology. Who is the father of microbiology? You may know Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. Anthony van Leeuwenhoek. He is the father of microbiology. Okay. Look at here. What is mean by botany? We know botany means it is a branch of biology. In this branch we will be going to study about the plants. It is a branch of biology which studies about the different aspects of the plants. So in this botany, what are the main things? The different aspects of the plants and their different types of aspects we will be going to study in this botany. At the same time, here also the different aspects of the animals, the study of different aspects of the animals. In this zoology, we will be going to study about the animals. And then microbiology. By the word we can know what is the meaning. Microbiology, which means microbiology is the study about study of microorganisms. 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 For example, unicellular organisms, multicellular organisms, acellular organisms. These are the things. Okay, this is about the small information about the biology and the branches, and who is the father of biology, and what is the main by biology, main things, not like this is just about the basic things, all this biology. For today it is enough, and in next video I'll be gonna upload with the new topics. I'll be gonna start with new topics. This is just I decided to give what is the basic information of biology. That's why I given this class. I hope you understood. And guys, on the same topic there will be two videos. One is in English, one is in Telugu, right? And if you have any doubts, guys, not only this topic, any topic which I have given lecture, you can ask freely in the comment box, and I will be gonna give on that video, on that comments, doubts. I will be gonna do one more video. Otherwise, I will answer. Right? Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching.